Too strong in here tonight. They'll be west and southwesterly, but 93 at 7 o'clock, 9 o'clock at 84, and by 11 o'clock we'll be at 79 degrees. So no issues. Yeah, we've been tracking all that smoke and haze, and we'll check out our smoke tracker here in just a little bit. Here's the wind gusts out there, and the wind's manageable. We talked about how we would be in the breezy category for today, but the winds are going to get stronger as we make our way into tomorrow. All right, so here's a look at our smoke tracker. This is 7 o'clock, and this is the black fire up there in the Gila, which continues to burn. You look at our key here, and you could see the very thick smoke, of course, getting near to the fire. It disperses here as you make your way out. But, you know, we're talking about light to moderate smoke out here in Otero County up in the Sacramento Mountains. So you can see it. You know, you just look out your door to the north and the northeast, and it's going to continue to lift throughout tonight. You'll notice how it kind of drifts in a north and northeasterly direction. And then as we make our way into tomorrow, here's a look at 9 o'clock in the morning. Well, we still have some smoke across Otero County and even into Doña County. Some of that may sag a little south into portions of El Paso County and Hudspeth County along Guadalupe Pass as well. By 2 o'clock, yeah, we may see a little smoke and haze, and then it's going to continue to clear out as we make our way into tomorrow night. Now the winds, here you go tomorrow. These are the peak wind gusts, 35, 40 on Friday. Then the winds come down a little bit Saturday at 25. We're tracking a weak cold front coming in here on Sunday morning. So that's going to kick up the winds. This is going to be a west side wind event, gustier winds on the west side. But we're looking at low and windy with those gusts at 30 miles an hour. Over at Tornillo Middle School today, Coyote Country, and talking to the kids, and had a good time talking about weather and doing some experiments with the kids out there. So had a nice showing out there in Tornillo to several classes. Here's your temperatures. Here's the highs for tomorrow. Temps going to be in mid and upper 90s. Again, the winds will pick up. You folks in Doña County, your temperatures tomorrow going to be climbing into the mid and upper 90s as well. Let's get right to the forecast here. 96 Thursday, 93 on Friday, 92 Saturday. Remember that cold front comes in here by early Sunday, so the winds will be up, west side winds on Sunday. 85 on Sunday. That'll be nice. Temperatures a little bit below average, basically, on Sunday. Then 90 on Monday, maybe a slight chance of rain on Tuesday, and temperatures gradually warming up to right around 89, 90 degrees, Mark.
All right, Doppler.